It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and want to get things updated here. Although I do want to offer in a little bit of extra context here, and that revolves around the fact that right now, I just checked that the stock is trading right around the 850-ish area, give or take. So there's been some after-hour stuff that's gone in. So usually I would delete some of these lines that I'm going to be talking about, but because after hours it's trading where it is, the lines do seem to have still provide reference here. At this point in time. Now, also along with that, from the time I'm done with this, and then you have pre-market trading. Who knows? Maybe the price is back up above $10. So, but as it stands right now, like I said, price is right around the 850-ish mark. So, first update though that does need to be made is based off of the principle that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So, for those of you that watched the past videos from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 825 as a resistance, but now that the price is above it, that would be an area of support. And again, assuming the price opens up right around 850, 825, this area, is definitely in play in terms of support. And that's why I'm also going to leave this level down here at $7.30, give or take, just because depending on how crazy it gets, that could be another level of support that comes into play. Now, obviously, if the price recovers and it opens back up here, well, then these two levels down here don't really have as much relevance. But assuming it opens up, where it is kind of right now, these levels are definitely still in play. From the big picture of things, ideally, you want to see the price stay above the purple line, but that seems like it may not be happening right now. But again, full disclosure, like I said, and just something to remember, still a lot of time from now. Then you have pre-market trading tomorrow morning, so we'll see where it opens. As far as levels of resistance, just going to talk about one level here. And that is up here, where essentially the price ran out of steam at about the $10.50 mark. Again, because where the price is right now, I'd be shocked if it actually got back over to $10. But who knows? Maybe this one's going to make me look silly. But as it stands right now, I think the key, thing to keep an eye on are these levels of support going to hold? Just how far back is the price going to pull? Not necessarily is the price going to keep on making its move upwards, but we'll see what happens. So 1050 key level of resistance, but $8.25, $7.30, important areas of support as tomorrow unfolds. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.